Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Poulami and you are more than welcome to my channel. And if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular makeup look where I have mainly played with the color red. So this is a very beginners friendly tutorial. If you are just starting on with your makeup and you want to do something glam yet not complicated, then this is it for you guys. So this is it for today's look. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. So now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. So the very first palette that I'm going to take right now is going to be my Colourpop Cosmetics main crease palette, which is basically this one. And from this beautiful palette I'm going to take this beautiful color over here called Like It's Hot, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful dark red color from this particular palette and I'm going to start putting it onto like this portion of my eyes. Before starting on with the eye makeup, I want to show you guys something really very interesting. It's very interesting for anyone who is into makeup because this is like a multi-purpose, multifunctional product, and the product was kindly sent to me by a brand, and that brand is Shapers. So they are this Instagram page and a brand who make makeup aid and fashion aid products like this. So this is basically, you know, the tape which looks like this. So I want to show you guys, like it comes in 8 stickers in one go. So you get the stickers like this. So there are 8 in all. So this is how they look like. So what you need to do is you need to peel the sticker from here and then you apply it onto like this area of your eyes if you do not want your makeup, you know, the eye makeup to budge over here and there, and you do not want the fallouts, you know, to ruin your base makeup, which I really, you know, is like, you know, I always deal with the fallouts. So yeah, so I think I'm going to love this. So yeah, this is one product that I wanted to show you guys because I personally love this. So yeah, this is how the package looks like. I wanted to show you once more. So yeah, I will be linking every detail of this in the description box below. So if you want to check them out, do check them out. They are fantastic. And I'm not paid to say this, okay? So now at this point when I'm almost done with putting that red shade called Like It's Hot from my Colourpop Cosmetics palette, what I'm doing is I am going ahead with a clean brush, and this is also a big blending brush, and with that clean brush I am just, you know, diffusing the edges of my red so that, you know, everything looks nice and blended and seamless, so that I don't get any harsh line onto like this particular area of my eye. And at the same point the pigmentation on this area is intact and it is not moved or budged. So right now when I'm done with that red shadow from my Luck palette, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take this beautiful color over here called Red Buttons, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful color over here I am going to put it onto like this corner of my eyes, like this particular corner, so that, you know, this area gets a little bit more depth and dimension. So I'm just doing that. So I'm again dragging this dark brown shade or dark red shade onto like this outer corner of my V, and since I have this tape on, I am not worried about it going down. So that's the easy part and the fun part of today's look. So right now when I'm done with that dark brown shade from my Colourpop Cosmetics, which is known as Red Buttons, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some black. And when it comes to black, I only trust my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, which is this one. And from this particular palette I am going to take this beautiful black shade, which is this one called Black Truffle. It is the blackest of the black shade I've ever seen in this entire world. So right now when I'm done with that black shade called Black Truffle, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my Colourpop Cosmetics. It's my Pleasure palette, and from this particular palette, So I'm going to take this beautiful color over here, which is known as Froze, and taking this beautiful color over here, I'm going to give everything that final blend. So I'm just going to take that color and put it onto like this particular transition area of my eyes, so that everything looks nice and diffused and blended. So taking that shade called Froze, I am blending this particular small little portion of my eyes where the black and that color called Red Buttons has mixed up together, and I don't want it to be very harsh, so I am diffusing it out with another lighter shade, and that shade is going to be the transition shade. So that shade is, as I have already shown you, is that shade called Froze. So yeah, this color Froze is going to team up the entire look together. So right now when I'm done with everything, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put on some glitter, and for my glitter I'm taking my Colourpop Cosmetics, my glitter palette, and from this particular palette I'm going to choose like this color over here, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful color over here and I'm going to put it onto like my eyelid, onto like this particular area of my eyelid. And just because this is not like a purely red glitter, and just because I don't have a purely red glitter, I'm going to take this one and maybe I'm going to mix it with some other shade to give it that darkness. So let's see what I do, and I will be obviously sharing that with you. But first, let's start with this particular one. Now at this point, when I'm done putting on those glitters, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my main crease palette, and from this particular palette taking this beautiful metallic shade over here, which is basically this one, and taking onto another brush, I am going to put it onto like this area, and I am going to blend the glitter a little bit outwards, so that it doesn't look like a chunk of glitter sitting in one particular portion. So yeah, I'm just going to blend the outer areas of that glitter with this metallic shade. So now at this point, when I'm done with the glitters, I just went ahead and put on some mascara, and for my mascara today I used my Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, which is basically this one. So I have used this particular mascara, and I took off the sticker, the shapers that I was wearing onto like this area, and as you guys can see, it is so dirty, and if I was not wearing it, everything would have been on my face. So yeah, it is very fuss free. I really liked and enjoyed using this one, and look at that corner, it's sharp, it's very sharp. So yeah, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So right now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. For my falsies today I'm wearing my PAC M85 lashes, which are basically this one, and on my lips today I'm wearing my MAC Ruby Woo, which is basically this one. This is what I'm wearing on my lips. As you can see, the color is so beautiful. Everyone loves this particular color. I also love this one. So yeah, today I'm wearing this one on my lips to go with the entire look. So this is it for my today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.